everyone, I'm Avantika Sharma.
And I am Diksha Rohra.
So, today we are here to share some legal updates with you. Trump announces 25% tariff on India and add penalty for buying arms and energy from Russia.
Supreme Court set aside bail condition requiring husband to resume conjugal life with wife and maintain her with dignity.
In a landmark decision to boost women workforce participation, the Delhi government approved to change in law.
Entire Himachal Pradesh may perish. Revenue earning can't be at cost of environment. Supreme Court raise alarm.
The Supreme Court on 21st July granted interim protection to actor Shiv Talpade from arrest.
If you are true Indian, you wouldn't say this. Supreme Court rebuts Rahul Gandhi for claim that China is occupied Indian territory.
Supreme Court recently held that secured characters and bonds are not obligated to identify in-sequence tests in MSME framework. Supreme Court clarified crony judgment.
Lawyer has duty to reasonably accommodate employees who acquires disability during services.
The Supreme Court strongly criticized the Delhi police for its sheer negligence in allowing Russian woman to flee the country with her 5-year-old child in ongoing dispute of child custody.
Supreme Court rebukes Bihar IPS officer for filing affidavit supporting murder convict. Issue show cause notice.
A Delhi High Court pulled up Enforcement Directorate for a misleading tweet that falsely implied recovery of gold and cash from AAP leader Satyendra Jain house.
Supreme Court refused to accept school records, relies on statutory document to reject juvenility plea of murder accused.
Rajasthan High Court stays defamation case proceeding against Trishti IAS Vijay Devgirke on judicial remarks.
Bail shouldn't be granted solely based on undertaking given by accused. Supreme Court to High Courts and trial courts.
Fatal accident on work commute covered under Employee Compensation Act. Supreme Court.
Failure to file affidavit with Section 156, subsection 3 of Criminal Procedure Code. Plea is curable defect if it is done before magistrate order. Supreme Court retrails.
Supreme Court observed that Section 18 of the Limitation Act, acknowledgement of partial debt, doesn't extend the limitation for entire claim.
Criminal case should be quashed when civil case is pending on same issue and criminality element is absent.
The Supreme Court recently held that plea for early delimitation in states before post-2026 census can't be entertained.
Excluding outside state experience to consider retirement age extension arbitrary. Supreme Court grants relief to Bengal professors.
Supreme Court declared that mental health integral part of Right to Life Article 21 while issuing guidelines for student welfare.
Banki Bihari Temple. Supreme Court questioned UP government hurry in ordinance proposed to recall judgment allowing state use of temple fund. The Supreme Court also formed a committee headed by retired judge of High Court.
A trial judge who passed an ex parte interim order in the Dharamsthala burial case has rescued by stating that he studied at a law college run by Virendra Hegde family.
That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.